What's good, everybody? I appreciate you watching my channel, looking at my videos, but be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe to the channel. Let's get it.
I can put it in the words. Yeah. Smell like good food and herbs. Partner, let's get it off the curb. Bro, wait until we drop. All the real players come from Tay House. We was raised off cam like surveillance.
All right, here's the box. Big Nike, orange box, of course, for the Lebron 3. Quick Strike Superbron. We're going to look at that style code and everything on the box. Let's get that focus. Zoom, Lebron 3, Quick Strike. That's 11.5 for me. 13 in women's, of course. And you see the price tag of $175. Unique box. Nothing crazy. I wish, once again, they would have had like a Superbron box where it would have been like some kind of Superman deal. Been pretty cool, but that's your box. Nothing crazy. All right, so here's the shoe, the Lebron 3 Zoom Quick Strike Superbron, or SB, whatever you want to call it. Superman. Now, as you know, once again, this shoe was not released. It was a PE that he wore back in 2005, but the great people at Nike decided to re-retro this shoe model and give us this colorway. So let's get into the shoe real quick. There's really nothing that stands out about the shoe outside of the colorway, but let me get it up real quick. And obviously behind the shoe, you do see the LeBron 16 Superbron that they did, but I have that one as well. But here's the LeBron 3. And as you see, red patent leather with the blue Nike check with the yellow outlining. You got red eyelets for the laces. And you got the King logo on the tongue. You guys see that King logo. You got that LeBron logo on the yellow buckle up front there. Red patent leather. Let's see what else we got on this shoe. You see the LeBron right there. I don't know if you guys can see that right there on that little white leather part there. That's pretty cool. Yellow inside. Let's see what we got on the back here. And let me make sure both shoes are the same. They are both the same. So you have the LeBron 3 Roman numeral on the back. Let me see if there's anything else that you guys would want to see on the shoe. That is the LRJ logo right there. It has LeBron Ramon James as the initials there. You see the LeBron. Now that would have been cool right here actually on that part. If they'd have put the LeBron Superman like logo, like a Superman logo right there, that would have been dope. Now you do see the laces. They do come in white with the blue tips on them. Like I said, man, nothing really stands out about this shoe outside the colorway. This is a dope concept that they did for LeBron on the PE. I like the shoe a lot. I give it an 8 out of 10 on the review for me, but I don't know what you would think about it, but yeah, let me know.